This is the legends about the origins of America, a vast ocean stretching endlessly under the sky. Long before America became a nation, before cities, roads, and people, there was only the sky and the endless waters. But from this great expanse, a legend was born, the legend of the great turtle. Soft, tribal drumbeats begin. A celestial woman, the Sky Woman, falls gracefully from the heavens. According to Native American tradition, the Sky Woman fell from the heavens. As she descended, birds of the air gathered to catch her gently, placing her on the back of a mighty turtle. A group of animals, beavers, otters, and muskrats, dived deep into the ocean. The animals knew she needed a place to stand, so they dove into the deep to bring back the earth from below. Mud is placed on the turtle's back, slowly expanding into land. With each handful of mud, the land grew and grew, until it became Turtle Island, what we now call North America. The spirit of Columbia music shifts to an inspiring orchestral tune. A glowing figure of Columbia, a powerful woman draped in flowing robes, appears against a rising sun. Centuries later, as America fought for freedom, a new legend was born: Columbia, the spirit of the nation. A symbol of strength, liberty, and unity, she guided the people toward a future of independence. She became the face of a growing nation, one that stood for justice, hope, and the pursuit of dreams. Music swells to a triumphant close. The American flag waves as the landscape transitions from mountains to cities, showing the nation's growth. From the legends of the Great Turtle to the spirit of Columbia, America's story is one of origins, strength, and destiny. A land shaped by the past, but always looking toward the future. The legend lives on until now. Subscribe for more stories. Hey, everyone! Have you ever wondered how America began? Well, here's one way our nation's story started. It's a story about a giant turtle and a woman who fell from the sky.